Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar. So once you are ready, I'm here. We can start now.
Okay. We'll start.
Thank you.
Live as you were to die tomorrow. Learn as you were to live forever. A very pleasant morning to our respected principal, sir, Mr. Sanjay Yadav, HM Middle Section, Ms. Sunita Rajiv, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, on the special occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, my friends, Tejas, Udi, Vrinda, Navya, and I, Sai Lakshmi Roy, on the behalf of our class 7A, welcome you all to the special assembly. Today is the day of celebration to pay the tribute to the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, whose birthday is celebrated every year on 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti. Revered the world over for his non-violent philosophy of passive resistance. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was known to his many followers as Mahatma or the Great Souled One. He was a renowned freedom activist and a powerful leader who played an important role in India's struggle for independence against the British rule.
प्रार्थना व्यक्ति को आंतरिक संबल प्रदान करती है। प्रार्थना व्यक्ति के विचारों और इच्छाओं को सकारात्मक बनाकर निराशा और नकारात्मक भावों को नष्ट करती है। तो आइए आज गांधी जयंती के विशेष अवसर पर गांधी जी के प्रिय भजन से इस कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करते हैं।
बापू ने कर दिखाया कमाल, अब अहिंसा के पथ पर चल रहा है हर इंसान। दे दी सारे देश को आजादी, भारत को आत्मनिर्भर बनाया, लेकर चरखा और खादी। Gandhi's life and methods of struggle impact people even today. The greatness of a man is realized when his life influences people to change for the better. And so was Mahatma Gandhi's life. Let us revisit the past and celebrate some of the major contributions of Gandhiji through a video.
चंपारण सत्याग्रह 1916 पूरी दुनिया के लिए उथल पुथल का दौर था और ठीक उसी समय चंपारण भी भीतर ही भीतर सुलग रहा था। वर्षों से गरीबी और मजबूरी की मार झेल रहे किसानों के लिए अब कुछ भी सहना बेहद मुश्किल हो गया था। नील की खेती से वह तबाह हो गए थे। अंग्रेजों ने तिनखतिया व्यवस्था लागू कर दी थी, जिसके तहत 1 बीघे में से 3 कट्टे जमीन पर नील की खेती अनिवार्य कर दी गई। महात्मा गांधी इन किसानों के लिए एक आशा की किरण बनकर आए। किसानों की दुर्दशा सुधारने के लिए उन्होंने अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ पहले सविनय अवज्ञा आंदोलन की शुरुआत की, जो कि आगे चलकर चंपारण सत्याग्रह के नाम से प्रसिद्ध हुआ। बापू के अथक प्रयास व बलिदान के कारण चंपारण सत्याग्रह सफल हुआ।
जिस समय अंग्रेजों ने भारतीय नमक पर कर यानी टैक्स लगाया और नमक के ऊपर कई कानून भी लाद दिए, तो उस समय भारत के प्रांत एक एक करके अंग्रेजों के कब्जे में आ रहे थे। रोजाना नमक खरीदना भारतीयों के लिए एक समस्या बन गई थी।
गांधी जी को नमक कर और नमक पर लगे प्रतिबंध सही नहीं लगे और उन्होंने अंग्रेजों का विरोध करने का फैसला किया। 12 मार्च 1930 को देश में एक ऐसा बदलाव हुआ जिसने सारे भारतीयों की किस्मत ही बदल दी। उस दिन गांधी जी अहमदाबाद से अपने साबरमती आश्रम से दांडी मार्च के लिए निकल पड़े।
पहले 10, फिर 50, फिर 100 और धीरे धीरे हजारों की भीड़ महात्मा गांधी के पीछे जुड़ी।
नमक यात्रा की वजह से 80,000 भारतवासियों के साथ गांधी जी को जेल भेज दिया गया, लेकिन अंग्रेज प्रशासन को हार माननी पड़ी। इसी नमक मार्च से भारत के आजाद होने की राह बनी और 17 साल बाद भारत आजाद हुआ।
According to Gandhiji, women should get an opportunity to show that they are equal to men. He fought against the practices of sati, child marriage, oppression of widows, and fueled emancipation of women. The most notable one is the SEVA, the Self-Employed Women Association, which aims for full employment and self-reliance for women.
Have you ever heard about charkha? It is a small hand-cracked wheel used for spinning fiber into yarn. The charkha became not only a symbol of revolution but a symbol of self-reliance and determination. Gandhiji initiated the Swadeshi movement by taking up charkha and encouraging Indians to spin their own clothes.
Wow, that was really inspirational. Udi, have you been to a place where you feel a dramatic change in the air? Maybe. What exactly do you mean? I'm talking of air becoming lighter and a sense of serendipity. Sabarmati Ashram fills you with this vibe as soon as you step on the premises. In the heart of Ahmedabad is nestled probably the humblest dwelling of one of the greatest men on earth. Let us take you to a virtual tour of Sabarmati Ashram, which is not just a place to take a peek in the life of Mahatma Gandhi, but it is a destination for introspection as well. There is this warmth in the air of Sabarmati Ashram, which is indeed quite inviting. It gives you a feeling of finally making it to home. Tejas, do you know what makes 2nd October even more important?
Yes, it's of great national importance for the country. As on this day, two great leaders were born on the Indian soil. Mahatma Gandhi, the pioneer of India's freedom struggle, and Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India, who continued to inspire everyone with the selfless service to the nation. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, the slogan of Lal Bahadur Shastri, is etched in our minds as it captures the true spirit of Bharat. His public life and the way he connected with the common man has left an indelible mark on the country. I would like to invite Yashika to pay a tribute to Lal Bahadur Shastri ji.
तलवार की नोक पर या एटम बम के डर से कोई हमारे देश को झुकाना चाहे, दबाना चाहे, ये देश हमारा दबने वाला नहीं। तो एक सरकार के नाते हमारा क्या जवाब हो सकता है सिवाय इसके कि हम हथियारों का जवाब।
One of the best leader of independent India, Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, was born on 2nd October 1904 at Mughalsarai, a small railway town 7 miles from Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Since his childhood was keenly interested in participation of country's development, coupled with he was greatly inspired and impressed by Mahatma Gandhi's ideals. He was such a critical thinker that at the age of 12, he dropped his surname Srivastav in order to challenge the caste system which was leading to discrimination. And later, at time of his graduation, Shastri ji used the word Shastri, means scholar, from his degree of Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth College. On the railway accident, Lal Bahadur Shastri said, "Perhaps due to my being small in size and soft of tongue, people are apt to believe that I am not be able to be very firm. Though not physically strong, I think I am internally not so weak." He started the Green Revolution and the White Revolution and also gave us the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
ये जो स्वराज आया है उसे हम मजबूती से अपने पास रखेंगे ताकि कोई दूसरा हमारी तरफ टेढ़ी नजर भी उठाकर देखे तो हम उसका पूरी तरह से मुकाबला कर सकें।
Shastri ji was a man of great integrity and competence, humble, tolerant, and with great inner strength of resoluteness. He was a man of people who understood their language. He was one of those leaders, vision, who led the country towards the progress. At the end, I will like to say, यह धरती लालों की जननी है, लाल के लाल समादर थे, छोटे कद पे बड़े हुए ऐसे लाल बहादुर थे।
Thank you, Yashika, for throwing light on the life of Lal Bahadur Shastri. We shall be forever grateful to such great leaders who served our nation with exceptional dedication. Dance is the joy of movement and the heart of life. It is the way to connect and inspire and to tell the untold stories. So now, let us watch a rhythmic tribute by our classmates on this special occasion.
पुकारे तुझे देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे। ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गे। वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे मातरम।
बेटी हमने आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल
magical. It's one thing to talk about someone's contributions and to learn about their teachings. But what's more important is how we imbibe those values in our life. On this day, as we're celebrating the life of Mahatma Gandhi, our friends have poured in their thoughts in the video about what is their take on Gandhian philosophy. So let us see what is the relevance of Gandhi in their life.
For me, he is inspirational freedom leader.
Man of principles, sacrifices and simplicity.
Mahatma Gandhi, for me, is an inspiration.
The reflection of courage and hope.
Power of forgiveness.
Gandhiji for me is a great leader who led to freedom and who spread peace and harmony.
Gandhiji for me is an inspiration who became a demonstration of peace for all the nations.
अगर चौथे मंदिर की बात करें तो एक और है, बुरा मत सोचो.
If there is a fourth Gandhian monkey, it will depict do not do wrong things.
A monkey which symbolizes equality in terms of gender and caste system.
मेरे अनुसार वो चौथा बंदर गलत ना सोचने वाला होता.
Speak no evil, hear no evil, see no evil, share no evil. We should not share any message on social media about which we are not sure. Remember, one fake message can ruin thousands of lives.
Yes, ma'am, I did once. अपना संभाल के छुपा के रखती थी पहले, फिर मेरी जो एल्डर सिस्टर हैं वो खा जाती थी. अब मैं फ्रिज में ही कहीं छुपा के रख देती हूँ, जब वो रख देती हैं और फिर बाद में जब वो ढूंढ रही होती है तो मजे से खा रही होती है उसे.
हम आधा नहीं पूरा ही होता है, हर बार तो हंड्रेड्स ऑफ टाइम्स मामू कितना बताऊं.
My elder brother, he told to not eat the cake, and I just sniffed.
Sometimes do that when he or she is distracted.
Lied about finishing your homework और कोई assignment submit करने में कभी ऐसा बहाना मारा कि नहीं upload नहीं हो रहा या technical issues?
Ma'am, maybe.
मतलब जब मैम जैसे रात को मैम जैसे लेट हो जाए बहुत, जब मैम जब
Ma'am, because my mother always checked my notebook. But probably I have had to go somewhere and I wasn't able to do it. And
No, मैम मुझे आज मेरे पेट में दर्द हो रहा था मैम.
नो मैम, क्योंकि मैम ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ है, जब भी मैं स्कूल नहीं जाता था मेरा कान सूखता था और मैम फिर मुझे दिक्कत आती थी.
मैम मैं फीवर था फिर भी मैं स्कूल आया था.
मैम मारा तो नहीं, पर पता था कि अगर मारेंगे तब भी स्कूल भेज देंगे.
Actually, it was my class only, not a test, but
ma'am, I didn't want to go as my paper was not completed after. So ma'am, I just said no, I am having headache and something. I can't
go to school today, but actually I was basically okay.
Wow, I'm sure the candid responses and honest thoughts of our classmates must have touched everyone.
Teachers are the ones who make us, nurture us, and the ones who make us fly. But the teacher
who himself follows great principles and makes his students be a follower of great values, knowledge and wisdom, is our principal, sir. And today, on this beautiful and joyful occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, we would like to invite him to enlighten us with his inspirational thoughts.
Thank you, dear Tejas. So very good morning, children. आज आप लोगों ने इतनी अच्छी असेंबली प्रस्तुत की है और इतने अच्छे थॉट्स शेयर किए हैं. That is really exciting, and I am very excited because learning from the lives of great people, we always look forward to role models. और आज स्पेशली तो दी जयंती, गांधी जयंती और शास्त्री जी का बर्थडे कल है और आज भी एक बहुत अच्छा दिन है. दिस इज इंटरनेशनल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स डे. तो when we are talking about father of nation or when we are talking about exemplary leaders, तो कुछ छोटे छोटे एनेक्डोट्स हैं जो आपसे मैं शेयर करना चाहूँगा. लेकिन उससे पहले I want to compliment each and every presenter in the assembly, each and every child who has participated. और बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चंस जब आप लोग पूछ रहे थे और डिस्कशंस आपका चल रहा था तो मेरे भी दिमाग में थॉट आया कि अगर कोई मुझसे पूछे इफ देयर इज अ फोर्थ मंकी तो वो क्या सजेशन देना चाहता है. So this is one suggestion which I always keep giving, because today our life has become an open book. With so much of presence of social media, and when we talk about World Wide Web, the whole world has come to a single platform. So somebody had mentioned it also, and this is what I want to mention, that before concluding anything directly from the so-called WhatsApp University or Google Encyclopedia, we must analyze and synthesize the information. We must check the authenticity, and then only we should believe in it and we should forward it. तो वो जो fourth monkey का message होगा कि do not believe in everything what comes on platter in social media platform and do not blindly forward it also. तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. और इसका छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल आपने देखा है कि when somebody has any kind of crisis, everybody comes with different kind of advice. आज अगर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो सबसे पहले गूगल खोल करके लोग सॉल्यूशंस खोजना शुरू कर देते हैं, and even they start to the extent of challenging the experts who are there. The experts in the field, they will say नहीं हमने तो गूगल में ये पढ़ा है, आप जो बता रहे हैं वो ठीक नहीं है. तो ये जो नॉलेज है हमारी, ठीक है, वो इन्फॉर्मेशन है केवल, और वो किस एनेक्डोट में है, किस सिचुएशन में है, किस सर्कमस्टांसेस में है, वी आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट. So do not conclude directly from that, and we always need, even with experts, when there is an opinion which is discussed, it is always said that take a second opinion. Why was it mentioned that take a second opinion is क्योंकि हर चीज को जो भी आपसे कही जाए, बच्चों आप लोग लॉजिकल हो, समझदार हो, तो किसी भी चीज को ब्लाइंडली बिलीव नहीं करना चाहिए. So that is my thought. This is what went through my mind. और उसके बाद अब एक दो छोटे छोटे एनेक्डोट्स. Of course, when the name of our great father of nation comes in our mind, and गांधी जी के बर्थडे को हम किस रूप में सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, कोई बताएगा मुझे? What is it recognized? Again, international recognition has. 2nd October is internationally celebrated as what? So, Anaika, you can unmute and answer.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is celebrated as the Gandhi Jayanti.
Okay, गांधी जयंती है. उसके अलावा इसको इंटरनेशनली इसको एक नाम दिया गया है. So who wants to say now? Trisha, if you can call somebody. Who was the next person who raised the hands? Sequence अब मैं मुझे याद नहीं. नव्या, चलिए आप बोलिए.
As a national holiday.
Yes, national
holiday.
Okay, national holiday. बिल्कुल आपका जवाब सही है, लेकिन I'm still looking for something. Yes, नवांश.
Sir, father of the nation.
Father of the nation. और बताइए, अभी मुझे मेरा जवाब नहीं मिला है.
Sir, the non-violence day.
International Non-Violence Day or International Day of Peace, you can call it. This is what the world has recognized. The first thought when we talk about Gandhi ji, In any mind, the thought comes कि at a time when there were cannons which were being used, when there were bullets which were being used, when there was physical, mental, all kind of torturing techniques and methods were being employed, here was a person who overcame all those things and led India to freedom without supporting any kind of violence. So this is something which shows extraordinary power of mind. जो आपके शरीर में सबसे पावरफुल ऑर्गन है, दैट इज योर ब्रेन, दैट इज योर माइंड. और अगर आप डिटर्मिन्ड हैं, इफ यू आर एबल टू थिंक राइटली एंड इफ यू आर एबल टू एग्जीक्यूट योर थॉट्स इनटू एक्शन, एनीथिंग कैन बी अचीवेबल. So this is what has been exemplary shown. We talk about sustainability, we talk about equality, we talk about cleanliness, we talk about all those core principles under SDGs. If you try to read the work which has been done and the life, the way Gandhiji has lived his life and portrayed those principles, they have talked about all those things. Somebody who could fight against untouchability, somebody who could educate people against the social evils. It was not just the freedom struggle, but it was again, his teachings have been so holistic in nature that they have actually taught us the way our life should be led. So we must read more, and reading gives us an inspiration कि जो चीजें हमें असंभव लगती हैं कि ये कैसे हो सकती हैं, वो उन्होंने करके दिखाई हैं. So that gives us an assurance कि अगर आज हम कुछ डिसाइड कर लें, अगर एल्कॉन फैमिली डिसाइड करती है कि yes we have to act seriously with utmost sense of urgency towards the SDGs or towards bringing building a better society. So children, I can assure you that your future will be in a good society. You will definitely be able to shape the society the way you want to live in it, and that is one thing. अब कुछ मजेदार बातें आपको मैं बताना चाहता हूँ जो शास्त्री जी के संदर्भ में याद आती हैं. ऑफ कोर्स अगेन, अगर आप फिजिकली शास्त्री जी को देखें तो he might look like a very fragile person or not physically very strong. Personality wise may not be, somebody may say that not very impressive, but a person who was core Gandhian by principle. And somewhere it has even been referred that he was a super communist in his thoughts. Now what does it mean? Communist does not mean something negative. Communist means somebody who thinks for people. He was one of the most popular leaders in India. And why was he popular? Because all his thoughts and actions were dedicated to people. And that to which people, if we talk about it, India is a country which is agriculture based country. Today, if we are living in a society, we are leading as a nation, we are a huge population, और कौन हमें सबसे ज्यादा सपोर्ट कर रहा है? It is our farmers. तो उनके लिए जो एक स्पेशल प्लेस था शास्त्री जी के दिल में, और जिस तरह से उन्होंने जय जवान जय किसान को आगे ले जा करके, सो टू थिंग्स, जवान और किसान. हिज सन हैज रिटन इन द स्टडीज अबाउट शास्त्री जी की पहली बार मैंने उनको रोते हुए देखा. और किस इंसिडेंट पर रोते हुए देखा? कि व्हेन ही वेंट टू विजिट अ वुंडेड सोल्जर, द सोल्जर टोल्ड कि सर, आई एम My only regret as on this date is कि मेरा प्राइम मिनिस्टर मेरे सामने खड़ा है और मैं उनको उठ करके सैल्यूट नहीं कर सकता. That is my regret because he was so severely injured. और उसकी बात सुन करके शास्त्री जी को रोना आ गया. मतलब he could not control his emotions. That kind of an emotional person. So जवानों और किसानों से उनका जो लगाव था, that is one thing. शास्त्री जी के बेटे, उनसे मुलाकात भी है हमारी, हमने अपने आपके स्कूल में भी आ चुके हैं पहले. और एक बार जब उनसे डिस्कस हो रहा था तो उन्होंने बताया कि सेंट कोलंबस स्कूल से पास आउट हुए हैं. ही यूज्ड टू स्टडी इन सेंट कोलंबस. तो बोलते थे उस समय शास्त्री जी होम मिनिस्टर होते थे. पहले रेलवे मिनिस्टर बने थे, फिर होम मिनिस्टर बने, उसके बाद प्राइम मिनिस्टर बने. तो जब ये होम मिनिस्टर थे, which is almost second most powerful portfolio after the prime minister, you may say so. Obviously all kinds of privileges which were due for a minister on government front, vehicle, bungalow, सब कुछ उनको मिला हुआ था. और उनके बच्चे जो है वो टोंगा में बैठ करके सेंट कोलंबस स्कूल वो उनको भेजते थे. तो बेटा उनका एक दिन बोला, नहीं आपके पास तो लाल बत्ती की गाड़ी है और इतनी शान शौकत है, और मुझे भी कभी अपने फ्रेंड्स को दिखाने दीजिए, वो सब बड़ी बड़ी गाड़ियों में आते हैं और मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि मैं जाऊँ। तो हिज आंसर टू हिज सन वाज कि ये गाड़ी मुझे मिली हुई है क्योंकि आज मैं होम मिनिस्टर हूँ, ठीक है आप लेकर के चले जाओ आप रोज गाड़ी में, और जिस दिन मैं होम मिनिस्टर से हटा दिया जाऊंगा, ये पद मेरे पास नहीं रहेगा, तो उसके बाद गाड़ी से आकर के टोंगा में जाने के लिए तैयार हो। टोंगा से गाड़ी में जाना आसान है, लेकिन एक बार आप रेगुलरली गाड़ी में जाने लगोगे, उसके बाद फिर उतर करके टोंगा में ट्रैवल करना आपके लिए मुश्किल होगा। तो उससे बेहतर क्यों ना हम ऐसा करें कि जब हमारे पास अपनी खुद की गाड़ी हो जाएगी तो वो एक सस्टेनेबल चेंज होगा हमारी लाइफ में, और उस समय आप जाना राइटफुली एंड यू विल एंजॉय दैट। बट दिस इज समथिंग विच हैज बीन एक्सक्लूसिवली गिवन टू मी टू अटेंड टू ऑफिस और ऑफिशियल मीटिंग, सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू यूज इट फॉर पर्सनल यूज एट ऑल, even if I fuel it from my own pocket, which I can't afford. And this is a privilege which I cannot sustain, or I cannot assure that it will always be there. So you will find it more difficult to come down from that to a Tonga. So it's better that you travel in Tonga. Now, what can be the example of human principles and simplicity? This is what these people have taught us. So there are a lot of stories which have inspirations, which teach us, and I'm so happy that yes, when we celebrate these festivals, this is a national festival, when we talk about these people, we must also try to find out more inspiring stories from their lives, because those stories are true stories. The moment you start watching a movie और शुरू में कैप्शन आ जाता है कि this is inspired by true life incidents, everybody is very attentive कि let's see what is there. So now these are the true real life stories. These are the stories of our real heroes. Why not to take inspiration from them? उसके लिए हमें मूवी देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, उनके बारे में केवल पढ़ना, और जो अच्छी चीज आपको लगे पढ़ने के बाद share it with others. आप लोगों को बताएं. So this is how everybody will be able to enjoy. So these were few thoughts, but yes, I'm very inspired and I want to compliment Sohani. Sohani का जो काम है जिसको आज हमने बैकड्रॉप बना करके यूज किया है, that is really wonderful, and all the compares, the kind of energy you have shown, the way you have presented the assembly, that is a true reminder that yes, our future is in good hands. So God bless you all. Thank you for inviting me, and it was really a good assembly. I enjoyed it a lot. Thank you, Sunita ma'am.
Thank you, sir, for blessing us with your precious words. Rightly said by you, that we should always analyze everything before listening to social media, and we should always use our brain before doing anything.
This assembly made me and my friends realize that 2nd October is just not a holiday. Rather, it comes to revisit an epic and epitome of discipline, a legendary leader's life. So these are some pearls we have gathered from Gandhiji's life for our lives.
आप मुझे जंजीरों में जकड़ सकते हैं या न दे सकते हैं, इस शरीर को नष्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आप कभी मेरे विचारों को कैद नहीं कर सकते।
मैं हिंसा का विरोध करती हूँ क्योंकि उससे पाया हुआ समाधान बहुत कम समय के लिए रहता है, पर उससे पैदा हुई नफरत हमेशा के लिए रह जाती है।
अपने आप को खोजने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है अपने आप को दूसरों की सेवा में खो देना।
व्यक्ति अपने विचारों से निर्मित प्राणी है, वह जो सोचता है वही बन जाता है।
खुशी सिर्फ तब मिलेगी जब आप जो सोचते हो, कहते हो और करते हो वो एक हो।
आप मानवता में विश्वास मत खोइए। मानवता सागर की तरह है। अगर सागर की कुछ बूंदें गंदी हैं, तो सागर गंदा नहीं हो जाता।
With this, we come to an end of our assembly. I am Vir Sharma, along with my friends Tejas, Udivrinda and Sai, on the behalf of our class 7th A, thank you all once again for your presence in our assembly. Now, I would like to invite respected Sunita ma'am to bless us with her precious words.
Thank you so much, Navya. Today, sitting here, I am feeling so elated and so proud of the fact that all the students are in such great hands. You see, it's not simply knowing about Gandhi Jayanti, it's also how children connect to it. So, pranam to my principal sir, my dear colleagues, esteemed parents who are watching this assembly if they are, and my lovely children. The real touch and the real connect is how we bring the great personalities into our lives, into our hearts, and their learnings into our own belief system. And I think today what you have done is exactly that. It's not simply knowing about what Gandhiji says or said or even believed in. It's about what you think about it. So this is the connect. I think this is an exceptional assembly, Risha ma'am. And my compliments to you and Preeti ma'am. The children, when they were opining, they were munching on thoughts, they were viewing, they were connecting and thinking about the fourth monkey. I think that was our aha moment today. I'm going to say to the entire world that this is one assembly which has taught me that the children can definitely take the world beautifully further with these belief systems in their hearts. So that was a great aha moment for me, and I'm sure for everyone who is here. The way you have presented it, because you have researched about it, you have read about it, and this is the aim of doing or performing or organizing an assembly. This is basically it. Sir has given such beautiful stories about Gandhiji and Shastriji. Children, the one standing out message from the stories he narrated, and he has said it very clearly also, is that it's not your physical strength that matters so much as your mental strength and your spiritual strength. So it is the will that actually paves the way. When Gandhiji entered the House of Lords in England, 5 feet 3 inches tall, very old slippers in his feet, one wooden stick in his hand, and 2 pieces of cloth covering his body, the entire House of Lords stood up in reverence to him. Can you beat that? Has that thing ever happened again? They used to only do this to the Queen of England. This was the charisma of mental strength and mental power. And only one incident which I remember is he always regretted one thing about his childhood. You know the story about his stealing some money, and very nicely you also shared how lies should not be told, and you were all speaking truth. That's a great thing. But one incident which a teacher will understand very nicely is that he was always very, very sad about the fact that his handwriting was bad. And when you are taken to Gandhi Smriti by your teachers, you must have seen his handwriting, which have been, the posters have been made. He always regretted that my handwriting is bad. And that is where you can take one clue, because my father told me this when he gave me pages to write every day. He would not have his dinner until I had served my handwriting page to him. Can you beat that? That is how my handwriting is so good today. I have my, thanks to my teachers, but thanks to my father who said, you complete your page of handwriting, show it to me, then my dinner will start. So these are small things, but even at this age, I remember it so well. So thank you, Risha ma'am. I think today our hearts are full and our eyes are full, our minds are full of such beautiful thoughts, and all strung together by these lovely children. God bless you. My compliments to each one of you. It was really very graceful and very precious assembly. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Are you going to have national anthem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I would
ma'am.
request
Yes,
everyone to please stand in their positions, and we'll have the national.
गणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्च चञ्चल जलधि तरङ्गा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे